Hello, my friend. Now today I, manufacture this kind of small tools for the testing. Okay, and fit inside. Okay, this one is the menu. Menu will compress. I use. Let me try. 哑了呀，哎，有哑上来了，10个了，嗯，10个多啊，多少了？看好 ，It's about 12, okay. Now it's about 15, okay. Oh, okay. You can see now the hydraulic cylinder is lift up automatically. Now yeah, okay. And we will feed this mold box again and try to use the templates. Try to drop down, press down the bricks, okay. Okay. This one, yeah. If you lift, okay. Very nice. Yeah, very nice and very solid. These bricks. Okay. Very strong. And if you plan to do that test for your soil, you can get this kind of tools to test your soil.